Well now, pull up a chair and loosen your belt a notch knot, because we're about to overindulge. No sorbet, because we refixing to fill your head and your plate with knowledge and flavor in equal measure. You see, food isn't just fuel. It's a tale. A tale of ingredients, where they came from, how they were treated, and the life they lead before they end up on your fork. This article: Chicken Salad with a Twist. Gourmet Edition, ISNT. Just another recipe scribbled down in haste like an old shopping list stuck to your fridge. No, friend. It's a manifesto for eating right, understanding your nutrition, and selecting ingredients so fine, even Mother Nature herself would raise a glass of filtered spring water in your honor. Over the next few thousand words, we're going to saunter through fields of leafy greens, peek inside the mystery of free-range poultry, and stir our way into a salad that's not only good for the gut, but also downright glorious to taste. With the wide-eyed wonder of a hungry traveler and the wit of an old riverboat captain, I invite you to dig deep, take notes, and maybe even lick the spoon. Let's get to it. Part 1. Why this salad ain't just rabbit food. They told us salad was for folks who wore linen pants and whispered their cravings. Hogwash, I say. Salad done right is a symphony. A testament. A celebration of what real food tastes like when you respect the land. Choose your ingredients with heart and prepare them with intention. This ISNT a sad bed of wilted lettuce with a rubbery chicken breast plopped on top like a forgotten shoe. No, sir. This is gourmet. Now, don't let that word gourmet fool you into thinking we re-getting all fancy for fancy's sake. What we're doing is understanding what makes a dish healthy and delicious. That's what eatin' right is about. The marriage of pleasure and purpose. Eating isn't some chore you drag yourself through. An act of self-respect and knowledge. That's your ticket to eating with both joy and wisdom. The core of our philosophy today: eat right, understand nutrition, and choose good ingredients. Eating right doesn't mean skipping the good stuff. It means choosing better stuff. Understanding nutrition ain't tea about memorizing calorie charts. It's about knowing what fuels your body and why. Choosing good ingredients is the secret handshake between your health and your taste buds. It's the difference between meh and magnificent. So if you've ever looked at a chicken salad and thought, this could use a little something more, I'm here to tell you, you're absolutely right. This salad's got crisp greens that crunch like autumn leaves, chicken so tender it practically sings, a homemade dressing that'll make you weep with joy, and a twist, yes, a real one that'll elevate the whole shebang. But more than that, this salad is a lesson in how to feed yourself well with flavor, intention, and a whole lot of soul. Part 2. Ingredient Spotlight. Know thy ingredients. Rejoice in their glory. Let me tell you a truth as timeless as the Mississippi. The secret to a spectacular dish ain't the chef's hat. It's the ingredients. If your produce is tired and your poultry lived a tragic life, there ain't no sauce or seasoning that'll rescue it. Good ingredients are like good characters in a novel. They drive the whole story. Let's shine a lantern on the cast of our chicken salad extravaganza. 1. Chicken, we're token organic. Free-range chicken, breast moist, lean, and full of protein. Why not use factory farm chicken? Well, friend, those birds are often pumped full of things you can pronounce and live lives devoid of sunshine. A happy bird makes a better salad. Science and common sense agree. Nutritional benefit. High in lean protein, low in fat, and packed with B vitamins to keep your energy up and your brain sharp. 2. Greens don't settle for soggy romaine alone. Let's make this a mix of baby arugula, spinach, and butter lettuce. Each one brings a different flavor. Note peppery, earthy, and mellow. Nutritional benefit. Rich in iron, magnesium, fiber, and antioxidants. That's right, eating greens might not make you a superhero, but it sure puts you on the path. 3. dried cherries. Yes, cherries. They're sweet, tart, and chewy, like a good plot twist. They balance out the savory flavors and add a touch of whimsy. Nutritional benefit: full of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and a pop of natural sugar without the crash. 4. Goat cheese crumbles creamy, tangy, and utterly divine. It ties the salad together like the wise old man in an adventure tale. Nutritional benefit: easier to digest than cow's milk, cheese, and a great source of calcium. 5. Candied pecans, just enough to make you smile. These add crunch, sweetness, and charm. Nutritional benefit: healthy fats and fiber, plus a bit of indulgence to keep things interesting. 6. Homemade Dijon honey vinaigrette. This ain't bottled ranch, my friend. It's made fresh with olive oil, honey, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, and a whisper of garlic. Nutritional benefit: healthy fats from olive oil, natural sweetness from honey, and no mystery additives. When you understand your ingredients, you start building meals that love you back. Every bite becomes an act of nourishment, not just for your body, but for your whole dang day. Part 3. Step-by-step preparation. Build it like you mean it now. Let's roll up those sleeves and get to work. This isn't just cooking knits crafting. You're about to build a chicken salad that'll have folks standing on chairs and reciting poetry. Step 1. Cook that chicken like you respect it. Marinate your chicken in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, sea salt, cracked pepper, and chopped fresh rosemary. Let it soak in those flavors for at least 30 minutes. Heat a cast iron skillet until it sizzles with anticipation. Cook the chicken breast on medium-high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes per side, or until golden brown and cooked through. Let it rest. Don't rush. Resting keeps the juices where they belong inside the meat. Step 2. Prepare the greens. Rinse your greens like they just got back from a dusty road trip. Dry thoroughly. Wet greens make for soggy salads. Toss them gently in a large bowl with just a kiss of vinaigrette to coat. Step 3. Assemble the masterpiece. Slice your rested chicken into thin strips. Scatter the greens across a serving platter like a bed of emerald treasure. Nestle the chicken slices across the top. Sprinkle dried cherries, candied pecans, and goat cheese with the enthusiasm of a kid with confetti. Step 4. Dress it. Don't drown it. Drizzle the dressing gently. A good vinaigrette is like a southern gentleman, bold, charming, and never overwhelming. Pro tip: taste every component individually and together. That's how you train your palate. It's what separates the cooks from the creators. Part 4. Serving suggestions. From brunch table to midnight craving, now that you've crafted your culinary opus, it's time to serve it like a pro. Ideal occasions. Brunch with friends. Serve it chilled alongside a mimosa or lemon-infused iced tea. Post-workout lunch. High protein, low sugar, and full of fiber. Your muscles will thank you. Light summer dinner. Pair with a glass of white wine. Meal prep hero. Store the salad and dressing separately for up to 3 days. What goes with it? A slice of toasted sourdough rubbed with garlic and a little olive oil. Roasted sweet potato wedges with paprika. Cold cucumber and mint soup for a refreshing sidekick. Drink pairings: non-alcoholic. Cucumber water, kombucha, or a tart cherry spritzer. Wine: dry white wine, sparkling, or even a crisp cider. Storage tips: keep the components separate if you're prepping ahead. Greens in a sealed container with a paper towel to absorb moisture. Chicken stored with a touch of vinaigrette to keep it moist. Dressing in a mason jar, ready to shake and pour. Presentation matters too. Use a wide bowl or rustic plate. Garnish with a few fresh herbs, maybe mint or basilland. Make your food look as delightful as it tastes. You eat first with your eyes, after all. Part 5. Your next chapter in healthy living. Well, friend, you made it. You've read, learned, chopped, stirred, and devoured. And if you've been paying attention, you will notice something magical. This salad wasn't just about the foodie was about the way you treat yourself. Choosing good ingredients isn't some elitist trick. It's the first step in reclaiming your health, your time, and your joy. Understanding nutrition isn't just memorizing macros, it's developing a respectful relationship with your body. And eating right isn't punishment, it's the highest form of celebration. Try the recipe, share it with someone. Talk to your local farmer, read the label, taste with intention. And most of all, never ever settle for sad salad again. If you enjoyed this little culinary adventure, don't just tip your hat, share this article. Leave a comment with your own twist and subscribe for more flavor-forward, soul-satisfying guides. Let's eat like we mean it. Let's live with flavor.